Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Sunday, July 15th, 2018. On the 15th, another volcano erupts, the Karimsky volcano in Kamchatka, Russia, spewing ash up to 3,500 meters into the air. The aviation color code has now been raised to orange. We now have a total of 44 volcanoes in full eruption. Also on the 15th, there was another eruption at Mount Agung in Indonesia, ejecting ash up to 5.2 kilometers above sea level. The alert level remains at 3, and residents are warned to stay at least 4 kilometers from the crater. The eruption of Kilauea in Hawaii is showing no signs of letting up, producing hundreds of quakes a day. There has been almost 20,000 quakes in the past 30 days, and the constant lava flow into Kapoho Bay has now formed a small island offshore. Scientists fear the eruption will continue for months, if not longer. On the 14th, the alert level was raised to yellow for the Nevados de Chilean volcanic complex in Chile, in fears that the crater may collapse due to constant seismic activity. Iceland has issued a new status for the Eyjafjallajökull volcano after showing clear signs of unrest and inflation for at least a year and a half. The source of the inflation is most likely from injection of new magma, which is similar to the activity before its previous eruption in 2010. Severe flooding and hail around the globe. On the 15th, a severe storm caused extreme tidal surges in Mumbai, India, flooding streets and completely submerging homes. On the 14th, a destructive hailstorm hit Amandi, Spain, blanketing the ground and damaging crops. After heavy monsoon rains in Jhardi, India, more landslides and cracks are forming, threatening a nearby school. On the 15th, a massive sinkhole opened on the streets of Karachi, Pakistan, destroying the roadway. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page.